Hey guys, welcome to Matt Tech. Today we'll be learning how to auto download photos in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to auto download photos in Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And on this interface, guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the settings option available for us. Just below the saved messages, tap on settings and you will land on this page. Now you can see the data and storage option available for us just below the notification sound under the category of settings. Tap on data and storage and you will be on this interface where you can see there it says the automatic download media over here, and there are three options where it says the while using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi, and when roaming. Now first, in order to proceed to auto download your photos in Telegram, you will be required to choose a service through which you will be able to auto download the photos in Telegram. Either you want to choose it to mobile data or Wi-Fi or roaming, or if you want to choose all of them, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of it and then they will be turned on like this, guys. But if you want just a Wi-Fi or your mobile data to auto download the photos in Telegram, then only turn on the services which you want to use. And after doing that, guys, after choosing from where you want to auto download the photos in Telegram, you will be required to tap on the service where it says the when connected to Wi-Fi. For example, guys, I'll be going to the when connected to Wi-Fi, so let's tap over here and this kind of interface or panel will appear where at the bottom section you can see where it says the types of media. There is the photos option available for us and the videos. Now in order to auto download photos, make sure the toggle icon for the photos on this interface is turned on, and in order to customize it even further, tap on the photo section over here and this kind of panel will appear where you will be able to auto download photos from contacts, private chats, group chats, and channels over here. Customize these tick marks or these things from where do you want to auto download the photos as well. And with that being said, guys, this is how to auto download photo from Telegram while using Wi-Fi. You can do the similar settings for mobile data as well. You can see on the mobile data I have turned them all on. So if you don't want to auto download photos from the Wi-Fi, if you want to only auto download your photos in Telegram from your mobile data, then tap on the toggle icon or make sure the toggle icon for photos is turned on. Again, tap on the photos to go to this panel to save it or customize it however you like. And with that being done, guys, you can choose to do that for when roaming if you have turned it on, or when connected to Wi-Fi, as well as when using mobile data. And after choosing a service or choosing the services through which you want to auto download your photos, make sure the photos is turned on over here. And with that being done, guys, you will start to auto download photos in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.